Hello, beautiful one. I just wanted to make this video brief, add it to the grid. I wanted you to understand a little bit better of what's happening, what you're doing. And many of you may know this, but I just need to share it. We are at an entirely new level vibrationally on this planet. Our group is our Acasma family of light, and there are many other groups like us. And we are not alone with even those that surround our planet. And the light is here. The light is here. We are here. And there is going to be a lot of changes. There are going to be a lot of changes. There are going to be a lot of things happening and moving in directions that may look and seem as if they are a lot to digest mentally and emotionally. But it is the planet, the collective, clearing the last spaces of its own densities. So just like we see the individual, ourselves, those we work with, family members, experiencing these spaces of themselves coming up to be seen, to be acknowledged, and then to be healed and released, we are going to experience this at a collective level, at a planetary level, before we move completely into the higher new earth. And that is how we do it. So as we witness that space, keep that in mind and allow that to bring you back into your sovereignty. If by any chance what you witness is in any way uncomfortable or difficult to where it starts to jar your faith in any way, allow yourself to remember, oh, okay, this is the darkest of the dark being healed, being released, being stopped, being cleared. And so just as the individual does it, so must the collective and the planet. And we have not done that fully yet, but we are in the space where I believe we are going to do that. And so I just wanted to let you know. That's my understanding, and the Acasma Planet of Light and Healing Grid is a huge, huge part of this healing process, of this shift, of this new alignment, of this clearing. And today when we held our governments, yes, remember that part? When we held our governments in this healing light, something really big happened. And so we continue to hold that with our hearts, our intent, our inner knowing, our higher consciousness, our being. We continue to hold that as we move forward through the month. And we can see the grid and hold the space and bless the space and whatever works for you. But you can do it daily if you're dedicated to that. And that would be incredibly powerful for this space we're moving through. And if you don't want to do it daily and you do it weekly, that's awesome, or monthly when we get to the grid. But remember, when we live from our highest self, when we live from our God self, we are the living, breathing grid of healing light. Okay? So just remember that. And you are incredibly beautiful and powerful, and I am deeply honored to be walking with you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I love you.